Here is the Winegard Razor air antenna. This is going to be used if you don't have any cable coming to your coach or satellite. You can get free TV. It's really simple to operate. When you get to your campground, turn your power on. It'll come up. It'll do a quick search. Once it's complete, you will hit your search key. Hold down your search key. It'll actually spin the antenna 360 degrees, and it'll pull up as many analog and digital stations that you can find in the area. Once that's done, it'll display a number which is showing 17 here. That's saying it was picked up as 17 analog or digital stations. That number is usually off. It's usually 2 times that number. So you'll be able to get a number of free stations on your TV. What you'll have to do is go to your TV settings, go to air antenna, and do a search on your TV so it pulls these channels onto your screen. If you're ever at a park that has cable, if you want to use the park cable, you have to power this booster off. This is the only way that you're going to get your cable to feed into your TV. This will not override if you don't turn it off.